know the vibes. We got Nisi on the track.
What up, y'all? How y'all doing? It's a nice Saturday morning. I'm out and about. I'm gonna go down and see my father real quick, and then I'm gonna bounce back to the house, try to meet up with my boy, do some RX-8 stuff today. So we're gonna at least start this vlog out on the R6. We're gonna head on down to Richmond, and then I might take the back roads back. There goes CHC. Motorcycle failed. Damn. Biker down. Damn, how'd he fall on the on-ramp? Shit. God bless him, I hope he's alright. Yeah, anyway, I'll probably take the back roads back home. And, I don't like seeing bikers falling, so I'm gonna take it easy today. Ride 4 is coming out today, so I might pick up Ride 4 on the way home. You know, we don't have like a motorcycle simulator or anything. So Ride is like the best that we got. It's made by Milestone, who makes the MotoGP series. So, you know, it's kind of like the same game, just a street bike. And those of you that are new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. If you're here and you got some content that you see that you might want to return for, go ahead and come on back. Drop a like on this video if it appeals to you. And this is typically what we do. I'm just all about leisure entertainment. Motorcycles, cars, generally any motorsport. Bye.